Here I'm going to show you how to get into a baby hopper or baby grasshopper. Come to your staff pose or dandasana. Curl your toes towards your body. Inhale your hands up, forward fold. You want to get your stretch or used to your stretch. Put a nice bend in your knee here and slowly kind of ease your way in there. Right. After you feel kind of a little more relaxed, you can bring your right foot, in this case, place it at a figure 4 above your knee that's extended or your leg that is extended. Pivot over onto your left glute. Use your left hand and then kind of place it in that 90 degree, like as if you were going to get into your chaturanga. And at this point, if you place your foot at a 45 from the leg that's on the ground, you can do a ground hopper where you're just kind of leaning over. And what this does is actually allowing you to kind of stretch some of that hip flexor. So you could technically be done with your pose right here. This you can call it a ground hopper. Inhale, exhale. Another way to do this is maintaining that same roll. Now that you kind of understand how you're going to roll forward, you can reach over with your right hand above, and I like to grab the underside of my foot. It really doesn't matter, you could grab the top. I grab the underside and make sure that I'm anchored for my pivot, and then I could just roll forward. Now this is a low hopper. Again, I make micro adjustments so that way I can reach higher and really get that elevation in. I reach underneath again, and notice how I'm starting differently in this case. I'm not starting in a down position because I want to get a little higher. I'm adjusting my foot to make sure that I'm going to be anchored properly. Kick my arm out, my left arm out, and then roll forward. And there you go. Take a deep breath, exhale, come down. Extend your legs. You can't do one side without doing the other. Hopefully that was helpful. Thank you.